Welcome to the Let Us Talk podcast, the podcast where we explore the power of community and compassion one story at a time. I'm your host, Talia, a nutrition educator from the Emergency Food Bank. Today, we're diving into the heart of Stockton, California, to uncover the inspiring journey of the Emergency Food Bank and its journey combating food insecurity in the San Joaquin County. It's transformed into a nutrition hub offering a healthy food pantry, nutrition workshops, mobile farmers markets, a senior food delivery program, and a healthy food RX program. Because here's the truth, hunger doesn't knock, it barges in and could affect anyone at any given moment. Our local food bank has stood as a beacon of support for families facing food insecurity, offering not just emergency groceries, but long-term solutions that empower and uplift since 1968. The mission of the Emergency Food Bank is clear. It is to build a stronger community by providing a safety net of healthy food, nutrition education, and hope to the residents of the San Joaquin County who find themselves in need. Let's rewind the clock. The year is 1968. Stockton, like many American cities, is facing deep economic and social changes. But in the midst of these challenges, 6 kind-hearted and empathetic women came together, not with money, but with heart and compassion. They saw families struggling, children going to bed hungry, and elders making impossible choices between food and medicine. So they acted. Changing the city sometimes begins with just a handful of people who refuse to accept hunger as a fact of life. It started off with 6 women in a garage with donated canned goods and the desire to help. And from that seed of compassion, Stockton's Emergency Food Bank was born. Fast forward over 5 decades, and that seed has grown into a thriving pillar in the community. The Emergency Food Bank is more than a pantry. It's a lifeline. The mission is clear and powerful, building a stronger community by providing a safety net of healthy food, nutrition education, and hope. It's not about charity. It's about dignity. It's about recognizing that food is a basic human right. Let's break down all of the resources the Emergency Food Bank currently has to offer. The Emergency Food Bank has a main food pantry. Operating Monday through Friday, the food bank distributes 3-day food supplies to families facing emergencies. Each household is allowed to go twice a month and the last Wednesday of each month for USDA's Commodities Day. Any resident of the San Joaquin County is eligible for food assistance as long as they bring an ID or any document showing their address is currently in the San Joaquin County. Staff and volunteers carefully tailor the food contents to ensure they are balanced, nutritious, and suited to each household's specific needs. In the past 5 years, the number of households served by the Emergency Food Bank has doubled, growing from 250 households per day to an average of 500 households per day. Food insecurity could affect anyone. We see families, individuals, the unhoused population, people of all races and backgrounds come to our pantry on a daily basis. The Emergency Food Bank offers its mobile farmers market program. Fresh produce shouldn't be a luxury. The Mobile Farmers Market program is a farmers market on wheels that brings produce directly into Stockton neighborhoods that lack grocery access. The Mobile Farmers Market travels to over 80 different sites throughout the San Joaquin County, distributing fresh fruits and vegetables to families with children and seniors who either have limited resources, are unaware of the nutritional value found in these items, or are unable to go to a grocery store to buy healthy nutritional items for their households. Nutrition educators like myself focus on seasonal produce and provide nutrition education, food demonstrations with a new recipe of the month, and access to healthy foods free of charge. We travel to senior centers, schools, community centers, 14 priority neighborhoods identified in the San Joaquin County's Community Health Needs Assessment and Community Health Improvement Plan, as well as affordable housing apartment complexes. There are a multitude of factors that the residents of the San Joaquin County face that prohibits them from being able to access fresh produce, like transportation limitations, affordability, and high poverty rates. The Mobile Farmers Market has become a vital resource to those that wouldn't be able to attain fresh produce. It's health on wheels. Meeting people where they are, Listening to their stories and offering support that respects their dignity and culture is deeply rewarding. Seeing the direct impact of nutrition education alongside delivering fresh produce to underserved members of our community is truly inspiring. The participants leave the Mobiles Farmers Market equipped with fresh, affordable foods and the knowledge to use them. Some of the most satisfying feedback from the participants is how much they loved the recipes, utilizing the produce distributed at the farmers market. The Emergency Food Bank offers nutrition education classes. Education is empowerment. From My Plate workshops to healthy cooking demos, the food bank offers regular classes for all ages, teaching people not just what to eat, but how to make it delicious and affordable. The Emergency Food Bank understands not everyone has access to basic nutrition education and has established their nutrition education program. Our nutrition workshops are designed to raise awareness, targeting underserved and resource-poor participants. We organize impactful workshops centered on healthy eating, family food budgeting, and active living, all aimed at encouraging and promoting healthier, more active lifestyles. Workshops include learning the new My Plate, understanding how to read food labels, food safety and sanitation, and more. Cooking demonstrations are also given, helping families learn healthier ways of cooking to improve their eating habits. These demonstrations teach the public that eating healthy food can be easy, affordable, delicious, and attainable. Along with information on the nutritional value of the food they're consuming, the objective is to show the public that you can nourish your body while preventing chronic disease. When the health benefits of healthy food are brought to the public's awareness, our hope is to help the public develop a more balanced relationship with food, leading to improved health outcomes and a greater overall quality of life. The Emergency Food Bank offers the Healthy Food RX program. The idea behind the Healthy Food RX program is to use the approach of food as medicine to manage and/or prevent chronic illnesses such as diabetes and hypertension. The diabetes rate in Stockton is at an all-time high. A staggering 60% of the Stockton residents have prediabetes or diabetes. This program is a collaboration between the Emergency Food Bank, Public Health Institute, and community medical centers as a part of Abbott's Future Well Communities program, which aims to tackle the diabetes crisis by addressing the social and economic barriers to good health. The nutrition educators carefully pick diabetic-friendly food items and carefully create recipes with the ingredients in the box to educate the participants on how to manage their diabetes with nutritious meals along with information of the nutritional value and cooking techniques of the ingredients of unfamiliar produce. This recipe-based food box filled with nutrient-dense food items is delivered to the participant's doorstep twice a month for 6 months. When conducting post-program surveys and spending time hearing each individual's experience, it's safe to say every single person reaped the benefits of receiving a healthy food box. The Emergency Food Bank offers the Senior Food Program. Elder hunger is a silent crisis. We support seniors through tailored food boxes, ensuring they are nourished and not forgotten. In 2020, we launched our DoorDash program, currently renamed as the Golden Hearts Deliveries with San Joaquin 211. The program is designed to provide homebound seniors with essential nourishment, offering them the vital support they need to survive each day with dignity and hope. It started with modest numbers and has grown to reach 320 homes every 2 weeks. We're proud to have been the pilot for this program that has successfully been nourishing our seniors for over 5 years. It was a normal afternoon in the office when I received a phone call from a senior woman. This phone call tugged at my heartstrings. The woman on the phone was in tears. She was facing starvation. She recently lost her job, had become the sole carekeeper for her homebound husband with many medical issues, all the while dealing with medical issues that left her unable to leave her home. She had no friends or family in the area and no transportation. She heard about our Golden Hearts Deliveries program through 211 and gave us a call. After hearing the urgency of her situation, we immediately put her on our list. She received her food packages on the next delivery date, which was 2 days later. Programs are powerful, but it's the people they serve that tell the real story. This testimony comes from an anonymous survey from our Mobiles Farmers Market. One of the questions states, "Is there anything you would like the Nutrition Education Department to know regarding the Mobiles Farmers Market program?"
that my family and I are truly grateful for the program. I haven't been able to work these past few months, and it helps to know we have a little more nutritional value to our meals. Thank you, and bless you and the family who help us.
These next few testimonies come from the Healthy Food RX post-survey question, which stated as follows. We want to hear how the Healthy Food RX program has impacted you and your family. How has the Healthy Food RX program helped you be healthier?
I enjoyed the food, recipes, and the fact sheets. They helped me learn to eat healthier and eat vegetables I had never eaten before.
This program gave me and my family more fruits and vegetables in our home. We usually did not eat many vegetables, so this program allowed us to have more fruits and vegetables in our diet.
I'm very grateful for this program. It brought me vegetables I could not afford. I learned to cook with vegetables I never had before.
This last testimony comes from our main pantry.
I come to the food bank because I'm a single mom of 2 boys. I work part-time, and I get CalFresh, but it's still not enough. Like when my food stamps got cut off because I was making too much money, we literally had no food, and coming here helped a lot.
These aren't just stories, they're reminders that behind every number is a name, behind every statistic, a human being. So, what can you do? How can you join this movement of hope? Donate. Every dollar provides meals, truly. Volunteer. Whether you have 1 hour or 1 day, your time can make a lasting difference. Advocate. Share the mission, raise awareness, and fight stigma. And if you're in need, please don't wait. There is no shame in asking for help. We're here for you. The Emergency Food Bank of Stockton isn't just about feeding bodies. It's about feeding souls, building community, and standing in the gap when life gets hard. It began with a few, and it continues with you. Thank you for joining me on the Let Us Talk podcast. I'm Talia, and until next time, be kind, be generous, and remember that even the smallest act of compassion can echo louder than we'd ever imagine.